be cracking the millionaire code.
Okay, so I was asked yesterday, can we create an invoice and send it and get paid straight from Kabooyaa CRM? And the answer is yes. So here's what happens. You go to payments, and then up here you go to invoices, and then you can create a new invoice. So let's create new invoice. Here we go. Then we're going to select a client, so one of your contacts in the system, and in this case I'll select me so that I can send the invoice through. Okay, now as you see it's 0. What we can do is add an item. So we can add a product that we've already got in our system, or you can use a brand new item anytime you like, which is what you would do. So you would install services as an example, and it's a service or a physical good. We'll go service this time. Install new blinds as an example, and we'll go, the price is I don't know, $3,500, and we'll add the item. Okay, so see here, you can see it's $3,500. You can add a discount if you need to by percentage. So if you want to give them a discount, 5% or 10% if they pay early, you can go save, that's what it does, or you can change that, get rid of that before you send it. So we save that. You can add any notes. You can add a second item if you like. So we can go new item. We'll go second item. Here we go, in its service, and we'll go second item as an example, and we'll make that $195, and we'll add that to the program and get rid of that. Okay, so that's your total. Okay, now what you do is save it. Once you've done that, you send it. So we can send via email and via text. So in this case, we're going to send to both, and we're going to hit send. Now in a second, there it is. So that's my text message, which has just come through. Here it is. You can see here, invoice number 3 for $3,695. If I click on here, it goes straight to the link and they can pay it. So we click on pay, opens up credit card details, and they pay it, goes straight into your Stripe account. So that's that. And I've also received it on my email over here, which I can do the same thing. So you can do it on computer. So that's sent straight through, nice and easy, and keeps track of it. And then if you've got QuickBooks, then it'll connect straight into your QuickBooks account. So hopefully this is showing you what you can do with invoicing and getting paid straight away. So if you want to get paid by a client, you can send them an invoice just like that, and they can click on it and pay it. So that's how Kabooyaa helps you get paid fast.
You're gonna be cracking the millionaire code.